Here we go then. You're watching Theme Park Worldwide. Well, we're here on Monster. This coaster actually opened last year, 2021, at Gröna Lund in Sweden. And here we go, climbing up the lift hill on this beast of a B&M. What makes this inverted coaster unique is the fact that it's been built in a tiny park and interacts with so many other rides, buildings, and so much more. Are you excited? The ride's got an epic first drop, 3 inversions. Let's go! It's Monster at Gröna Lund! Woo! Oh my God, it's forceful! Awesome! Love this section! Big turnaround over the entrance! Wow! He's got some forwards, wait for it, a little pop of at a time now. Here we go! Oh, what a ride! Honestly, that thing is beautiful. Enjoy that. And what's unique is, it's got the brake run and takes you down like a little lift section into the brakes at the end. What an absolutely awesome coaster. There's lights on the bottom of the trains. It's epic. That leaves us with one final thing to say. Get out there and keep on riding. See you in the next video.